Now I am.
Whoops. Now, if you'll notice, this is the 1992 storm of the century. Never had anything like this. Casually glance over here to our
Don't forget when you get outside.
mother-in-law.
Here. This too. Who bought this?
This is my
What are you doing?
This is my Christmas present to myself, but that's okay.
Oh, hello. This has to be changed too. No, we can't change that. That doesn't. We don't have that. Goodbye. Get working. Now I'll give you an hour and let's see how much you can accomplish.
Yes, master. How do you say, master? What you've just seen is a classic example of Bremer production. That's it. Now, this is the storm of the century. Don't forget. Forecasters say nothing's ever happened like it. Yeah, right. How about the blizzard of '78? Now there's something. Why? See that street corner down there? 1978. I used to climb up it like it was a mountain. Granted, I was only 2 feet tall, but you get the picture. Now, if you notice, the wind drifts get that over there. If you notice the sagging trees over there, sagging dog. Looks a little cold, aren't you, Sandy? Yeah, you want more snow. You want more snow. Yeah, yeah. Now, you can't really follow me, can you? How far over can you get? Can you get East Main? How about over here? How far can you go over here? Oh, this is nice. This is pretty. Over here. No, the bushes. There you go.
Oh.
There you go. Oh, look. There's even starting to be some snow melting on Paul's head. It actually makes an improvement, Paul. You should check it out. Sandy! Are you making yellow snow again? Come on. Sandy, come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. All right, shut that off.